Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some exercises questions from alphabet combination. So let us begin. Now in the previous lectures, we discussed that there are 4 types of questions that can come in your competitive exams from alphabet combination. Type 1 is word formation, type 2 is letter word problems, type 3 is letter series and type 4 is letter analogies. In today's lecture, we will discuss type 1 and type 2 in detail. In the next lecture, we will discuss type 3 and type 4 in detail. Okay, so word formation basically means we have to form meaningful words as per the English language. As per the English language, right? And letter word problems we have already discussed. So basically we deal with the alphabets arranged alphabetically, and we have to find pairs that have the same number of alphabets between them as the alphabetical sequence. So those kind of problems comes in letter word problems. Okay, so I've told you that there are 4 concepts that we use whenever we deal with alphabets. The first concept is forward rank. Forward rank means we assign a number to each alphabet in increasing order. So A is 1, Z is 26. Correct? We have a shortcut to remember forward rank, H or T, which is 5, 10, 15, T is 20 and Y is 25. Then there is a concept of backward rank. Backward rank, similar concept, just that the numbers are assigned in decreasing order. So A is 26 and Z is 1. Correct? Backward rank plus forward rank for any number is equal to 27. Then we have a concept of opposite letters. Opposite letters means letters are arranged in a particular way that they form 13 pairs. So A is opposite to Z, B is opposite to Y until and unless M is opposite to N. Correct? Then we have 4th concept of looping. Looping basically means that since there is no alphabet after Z, we will start again from Y, and since there is no alphabet before A, we will start again from Z. Right? So this is the concept of looping. So using these 4 concepts, we can solve any question based on alphabets. Okay? So let us start with type 1, that is word formation. Word formation. Okay? If the letters of the words articulates can be used as many times as one wants to use, then which of the following 4 words cannot be formed? Which of the following 4 words cannot be formed? So out of these 4, there is one word that cannot be formed using the alphabets of articulates. We have to find that. Okay, we have to find that. If I look at over here, COURTS, we have C, we have U, we have R, we have T and we have S, but we do not have O. We do not have O, so we cannot form this letter using the alphabets of articulates, right? So let us check for others also. LATER, we have LATER. So we can form later, right? Then article, we have ARTICLE. All the alphabets are there, so this word can also be formed. Then we have electric, so EL. Then again E, since there is no restriction that we can use a word only once, we can use a word many times, right? So we can use E again. E, then C, then T, then R, then I, and then C again. So we can form electric also. The only word that cannot be formed, okay, the only one word which cannot be formed is coat. So this will be the answer. Option number 1 will be the answer to the question, right? Okay. Now let us look at question number 2. Question number 2 says, in a meaningful word beginning with H can be formed using these letters. So we have to try to find a word that we can form using H. So H is the first letter, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 positions that we have to fill to form a meaningful word, right? And then we have to find the 4th letter of that word is your answer. So 4th letter means 4th letter from the left. Since it is not mentioned whether from left or right, we will go in this direction only, right? If we can form more than one such word, then B will be the answer. And if no such word is formed, then C is the answer. So if more than one is formed, B is the answer. If no such word is formed, then C is the answer. So one word I can form will be HOURS. Hours is a word that I can form using these letters. So I have to look at the fourth letter. So fourth letter will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth letter will be R. So answer will be option number 4, R. Okay? Answer will be option number 4, R. Question number 3. Question number 3 we have, if it is possible to make only one meaningful word with the second, third, sixth and eighth. So second, third, sixth, eighth letters of the word fragment. So first we have to give them positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These will be the positions, right? Now, so if I look over here, second is R, third is A, then we have sixth position which is E, and we have eighth position which is T, right? We have eighth position which is T. We have to make one meaningful word using each letter only once. Then which of the following will be the third letter of that word? If no such letter is formed, we mark X, and if more than one is formed, we mark Y. So the first one I can see is rate, right? This is a meaningful word. Then I can see tier. This is also a meaningful word, right? Tier can also be formed. So if more than one is formed, we mark Y. So answer will be option number 3, Y. Right? This will be the answer, option number 3, Y. So we can form rate, tier, tear. We can form 3 words actually. So answer is option number 3, Y. Question number 4. Question number 4 asks, how many meaningful words can be formed using the first, third, sixth and seventh? So first, third, sixth and seventh letters of the word dreamland. So first we will give them positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first is D, third is E, sixth is L and seventh is A. So I have to form meaningful words using these letters. We have to identify how many meaningful words can be formed. So the first I can see is deal, right? We make a deal with people. Then lead. You lead by example, that lead. Then there is a word called dale. Dale means valley. Okay, dale means valley, right? And there is also a word called laid. What do you mean by laid? Laid basically means that putting things in a cargo or a ship. Putting things in a cargo or a ship. So laid means this. So in total, I can see that we can form 4 words using these letters. So answer will be option number 4, 4. 4 words can be formed using these letters, right? Okay. So dale, deal, laid, lead. 4 words formed using these letters. Question number 5. Question number 5 asks, how many meaningful English words can be formed with first, fifth, seventh and ninth letters of the word punctuate? Okay. So first, fifth, seventh, ninth. So first let us give them positions. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first is P, fifth is T, seventh is A and ninth is E, right? So we have to form meaningful words using these. So the first one I can think of is tape. You use a tape to stick things together. Then there is a word called pate. What do you mean by pate? Pate means a person's head. A person's head. This is what you mean by pate. Okay. Then let us see if we can form another word. I can form peat. What do you mean by peat? Peat is basically a vegetable byproduct. It is a product that is used for burning things. So it is a vegetable byproduct. So basically when let's say flowers or vegetables die and they're buried, whatever compost that you get, that is peat. So now I have 3 words with me. So how many meaningful English words can be formed? 3. So answer will be option number 4, 3. Okay? Answer will be option number 4, 3. Right? Question number 6. Question number 6 is, if it is possible to make only one meaningful word with the 2nd, 4th, 5th, 10th. So, 2nd, 4th, 5th, 10th of the letters of the word creditable, using each letter only once, then which of the following will be the first letter of the word? We have to identify the first letter of the word. If more than one is formed, we mark M, and if no such word is formed, we mark N. So more than one we mark M. If no such word is formed, we mark N. So first we have to give them positions. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These will be the positions. At second we have R. At 4th we have D. At 5th we have I. And at 10th we have E. Right? So I have to form meaningful words. So first word I can think of is ride. Then I can think of dire. Do you know what the meaning of dire is? We have dire consequences. That means very bad consequences. So I can think of 2 words, ride and dire. So I can make more than one such word, right? If I make more than such one word, I have to mark M as the answer. So answer will be option number 4, M. Right? Answer will be option number 4, M. Okay? Question number 7. Question number 7, pick the first, 2nd, 4th, 5th and 6th letters of the word's reasoning, form yet another word and then write the first and the last letters of the word form. So if we are given this question, that means only one meaningful word can be formed. Because if we have more than one possibility, this would be an incorrect question. So we would be able to form only one word and we have to arrange it and find the first and the last letter of that word. So we have to take the first, 2nd, 4th, 5th and 6th letters, right? So let us give them numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first is R, then E. So R, E. Then 4th is S. 5th is O. And 6th position we have N. So we have to form a meaningful word using R-E-S-O-N. So if I look at this arrangement, the meaningful word can be S-N-O-R-E. The meaningful word can be snore, right? The meaningful word can be snore. Now we have to find the first and the last letter. So the first letter is S, last letter is E. So if I put them together, we will get S and E. We will get S and E, which is given in option number 3. Do not mark E and S because this is the last letter and S is the first letter. So pay attention. First we have to write the first and then we have to write the last. So it should be in the same sequence. First letter is S, last letter is E. So answer will be option number 3. S-E, right? Okay. Moving on to type 2, that is word letter problems. Okay, let us look at question number 1. Question number 1 says, how many such letters are there in the word backlash, each of which is as far away from the beginning of the word as it is from the beginning of the English alphabet? So now we don't have to look at the pairs. Please pay attention to the question. We don't have to look at the pairs. Instead, we have to look at what? We have to look at how many letters are there from the beginning of the word as it is from the beginning of English alphabet. So what we will do is, first we will write backlash. Okay, we will write this word. Then we will write the English alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So how many words are there which will have same number of letters before them as in English alphabet? We have C and I can see H. So we have now only 2 letters, C and H, which have same number of alphabets from the beginning. So please pay attention to the language of the question. If you would have solved it by, taking B and then writing C, D, E, F, G like we do for other questions, it would be wrong. So please pay attention to what the question is asking. So the question was asking from the beginning of the word as it is from the beginning of the English alphabet. So answer will be 2, C and H. So answer will be option number 3, 2. Okay. Then we have question number 2. Okay. Which of the following would be the changed form of the word oblique? So we will perform certain operations on oblique when the word is written again by substituting each vowel by the second letter following it in the English alphabet and substituting each consonant by third letter following it in the English alphabet. So what are we doing? We are moving the vowel by 2 positions forward and we are moving a consonant by 3 positions forward, right? We are moving the consonant by 3 position forward. So vowel by 2 position forward, consonant by 3 position forward. Now if you look at the question, the word is oblique. What are the vowels? We have 5 vowels, right? What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are your vowels. So in this particular words, how many vowels do we have? We have O, we have I, we have U and we have E. I am giving them ranks, okay? I am giving them forward ranks. So O is 15, B is 2, L is 12, I is 9, Q is 17, U is 21, E is 5. So vowels have to move 2 positions forward. So this will become 17, this will become 11, this will become 23 and this will become 7. We have moved them 2 positions forward because vowels were moved by second letter. And the consonant was moved by third letter. So consonant I will move 3 positions forward. So 2 plus 3 will give me 5. 12 plus 3 will give me 15. Similarly, 17 plus 3 will give me 20 and these will be the order. These will be the order. So at 17th position we have Q. At 5th position we have E. 15th O. 11th position we have K. 20th is T. 23 is W. And at 7th position we have G. So my arrangement would be Q, E, O, K, T, W, G. And this is given in which option? This is given in option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer of this question, right? Option number 3 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3. If the letters in the word powerful are rearranged as they appear in the English alphabet, the position of how many letters will remain unchanged after the rearrangement? So what do we have to do is, we have to arrange the letters of powerful in English alphabetical order. So if it is not mentioned from left to right or right to left, we assume it is always left to right because this is how we write in the English language, right? This is how we write in English language. So we would have to arrange the alphabets of powerful in increasing order. Okay, in increasing order. So the first one would be which one? E, then L, right? Sorry, E, then F, then L. So E, F, L. Then O, then P, then R, U, and W. This would be the arrangement, correct? This would be the arrangement. This is English alphabetical arrangement. This is English alphabetical arrangement. Now we have to find out how many of them will remain unchanged. So I can see only one is remaining unchanged, that is U. Only one is remaining unchanged. P has changed to E, O is changed to F, W is changed to L, E has changed to O, R has changed to P, F has changed to R and L has changed to W. The only one that is not changed is U. So answer will be option number 2, 1. Only one letter is there which has not changed. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4, direction is given to us. In the following question, find out How many such pairs of letters are there in the given word, each of which has as many letters between them in the word as in English alphabet? So this is a question where we have to move both forward and back. Until and unless it is given in the question that we have to go only one direction, we will calculate from both front and back. So what is the first step? We will write it like this. K-L-I-N-G. Right? We will write it like this. Then we will start checking from K. We will start checking from K. So after K, what is the alphabet? We get L, M, N, O. Right? After K, we get L, M, N, O. So I can see 1 and 2. So I can see first pair KL and I can see second pair KN. Right? So let us move on to L now. If I take L, the next letter will be M. In the front direction, it will be M, N, O. So now again I can see one common, which is N. So the next pair will be L, N. Correct? The next pair will be L, N. Okay? Now let us check with I. What is the next letter after I? J, K. Right? J, K. So again I can see one common, which is K. So the next pair will be I and K. I and K. Right? Okay. Now let us check with N. What is the next letters after N? We have O, P, Q. Similarly, here we will have O. Is there anything common? No. So we will check with G. Okay, we will check with G. After G, we have H, I, J, K. So now I can see this and this being common. So now I can make two pairs, G, I and G, K. Right? So this will be the pairs. How many pairs do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total we have 6 pairs. So answer will be option number 4, 6. In total we have 6 pairs that have as many letters between them in the word as in English alphabet. So answer will be option number 4, 6. Right? Okay. Moving on to question number 5. Moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 says, how many pairs of letters are there in the word repercussions which have as many letters between them in the word as in alphabet, and that too in the same order? That too in the same order means that we have to consider only one order. Hint is given to us. Do not consider the pair us and on, because as mentioned in the question, the letters should be in the same order in which they occur in the alphabet. So until and unless now we were calculating both from front and back. But in this particular question, it is mentioned that we have to check for the same order only. Right? We have to check for the same order. So what will be the first step? We will write R-E-P-E-R C-U-S-S-I-O-N. Now we will check with the same order. So starting with R, we have S-T-U-V-W-X-Y. Do we have anything in common? No. So let us check for E. We will move only in front direction now. Okay. So F-G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O. Anything common? No. So let us check for P. After P, we have Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X and Y. Do we see anything common? Yes. I can see R being common. So one pair will be P, R. Right? Let us move to E again. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Anything common? No. So we will move on to R. We are going only in one direction now. Right? After R, we have S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Do we see anything common? No. So we will move on to C. C, we have D, E, F, G, H, I. Anything common? No. So we will move on to U. After U, we will start from V, W, X, Y, Z. Nothing is common, so we will move on to S. After S, we have T, U, V. Nothing is common. S, T, U, V. Nothing is common. I. After I, we have J, K. Nothing is common. After O, we have L, M, N, O, P. So, nothing is common, and after N, we cannot move because we are moving in only one direction. So in total, we have only one pair, that is P and R. So what would be the answer? There is only one pair, P and R, that have as many letters between them in the word as an alphabet and in the same order. So answer will be option number 2, 1. Okay, this will be the answer. Question number 6. Question number 6. In each of the following question, find out how many such pairs of letters are there in the given words, each of which has as many letters between them in the English word. So again, it is not mentioned from front or back, so we will calculate from both the ends. So starting with apprehension. Okay. So starting from A, we will have B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So I can see one common, which is E. I can see one common, which is E. So first pair would be A, E. Right? Moving on to P. From P we have Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I can see one common, that is R. So the next one will be P, R. Correct? Let us move on to the next one. This P, Q, R, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Anything in common? No. So we will move on to R. R we have S, T, U. Nothing in common. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nothing in common. We will move on to E. E, F, G, H, I. F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Anything in common? No. So moving on to H. After H, we have I, J, K, L, M. I, J, K, L, M, N. So now I can see N being common. So another pair will be H, N. Right? Another pair will be H, N. We will move on to E. E, this one. F, G, H, I, J, K. Similarly, F, G, H, I, J. Nothing is common. We will move on to N. After N, we have O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. So now I can see one common, that is R. So next pair will be N, R. Right? Over here, O, P, Q, R. So nothing is common. Let us move on to the next letter, which is S. After S, we have T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Similarly, over T, U, V. Nothing is common. We will move on to I. After I, we have J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. So I can see P common. So the next pair will be I, P. Correct? This side it will be J and K. Moving on to the next one, O. After O, what do we have? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. We have this P, Q, R, S, T. Do we have anything in common? No. Here we will have P, so nothing in common. Let us move on to O. Let us move on to N. After N, we will have O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Do we see anything in common? Yes, O. So the next pair will be N, O. In total, how many pairs we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in total, we have 6 pairs. So answer will be option number 3, 6. Option number 3, 6 will be the correct answer. We have AE, PR, HN, NR, IP and NO. Okay, so this will be the answer. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.